Hi, welcome to the Certified Scrum Product Owner workshop. The Scrum Alliance Certified Scrum Product Owner certificate consists of two parts. First, you study the latest Scrum guide and take a short online course on the Scrum Alliance website. Next, you actively participate in a two-day certification workshop that includes exercises to help you to understand and apply. The first morning of the workshop is dedicated to the basics of agility and Scrum. This ensures that the teams of the participants have a common foundation on which to build Scrum Master competence. The theory for this part is familiar from the Prestudy. We start by dividing participants into teams and practicing the use of time boxes. We consider the relationship between Scrum and Agility using Agile Manifesto. We will continue with empirism and the culture of experimentation and advance to Scrum's overview, events, roles, and artifacts. After the foundations, we begin to consider the role of the product owner, responsibilities, rights, good practices, and the impact of the organization on product ownership. Because the business area of the workshop's long exercise, products and services of a movie theater, is familiar, we can focus in our exercises on how to develop them with Scrum. We start with product strategy and product vision. After that, we move to the economic side and secure the business case for the project. Next, we will start looking for the customer and the other stakeholders for our products. We consider the challenges of a large project requiring several development teams and solutions to overcome them. On the second day, we delve into the customer research. We strive to understand and describe the needs of the users and stakeholders. We understand that complex adaptive systems and markets require a culture of experimentation and validation of assumptions. Based on this, we will prepare the first version of the roadmap for our project. Managing the product backlog is the key task for the product owner. We take the vision and the roadmap to a more precise level. We find out what value means in our example and order the estimated product backlog. This creates a product backlog with the release plan. Finally, we involve the development team and refine the product backlog to the level of detail required to start a sprint.